Namaskar, welcome to Vandana's art classes. Today is Ganesh Chaturthi, and on this auspicious occasion, we are going to paint one Gauri Ma with Ganesh ji. So, for this, we need A4 size paper or canvas, we need pencil eraser sharpener, we need acrylic paints with brushes, water, and a rug to wipe our brushes. If you want, you can make it in pencil colors or any other paints, oil paints, poster colors, anything. So let's start. So this is yellow color and we have used here crimson red and dark red. On this we are showing the border. This is the border of the sari. So this border will come at some more places that we will do later. Mainly it's visible on the head. Now again the remaining portion. I'm going to use dark red color and showing the creases in the sari. This is maroon color. I'm filling it right now. We'll make it afterwards. Design of earring. I'm going to start with the face now. I'll fill same color in the hands. This is flash tint. This is small hand is Ganesh ji's hand, which is coming from the back. एक हाथ गणेश जी का छिपा हुआ है, ये पार्वती जी का दूसरा हाथ है. ये गणेश जी का पैर है और ये उनका दूसरा पैर है. This is another feet. This is Gauri ji's one feet. Other one is behind the sari. So I think we have completed all the skin tone work. Little bit neck will be visible here. Ganesh ji's face I am going to make with grey color. This is grey color. Dry. In the meantime, we will do the blouse and sari. So blouse, I am using two shades of this cream and this light green. These two shades I am going to use for blouse. Before that, little bit skin tone will come here. Again dark green. I am going to use red color here because it is wet, so we cannot make design right now. So in the meantime, here background, some part of blouse will come. So here green and red. This is the sari which is coming here. So we will use the red and dark red. I'm using two brushes right now. Dark red I'm taking maroon color. Oh, in the meantime, I'll fill white color in the eyes. It will dry. Oh, this is the broken tooth. And this is the complete tooth. Now I'm going to use this dark red color and we will give the design on the blouse. Red paint, somewhere dark red, somewhere light crimson red. If you want, you use yellow or green also. This is my dotting tool. You can do from the back end of the brush also. You can use toothpick also. Now, since we have shown the blouse here, so we will show some lines here. Like this line coming here. Now again, sari has started. And some touch of red here. Now it is clearly distinguished. Let's make the eyes. This is black paint. For eyebrows, he always shows now earrings. And I have to correct the nose. So again, I'm taking gold color, golden yellow, sorry. Normally in his paintings, they don't show the white dots. If we want, we can show. So I'm showing. So basically our painting is over and I'm planning to give a dark background. So this is already red. It's your wish which color background you want to give. I'm thinking of a dark green, very, very dark green or black. I think black will look nice. Let me try first dark green, how it looks. I'll try on one corner. Let's see how it looks. This is very dark green. Sap green actually. And since we have changed the theme, so now no need to make this Madhubani border. If we want, we can have. If we don't want, we can even give a texture background. I will show you what I mean. I'll mix 2-3 greens and little gold. The advantage in acrylic is that we can always change. This can be done with knife also. I'm using little yellow also, and we may have to give few coats of yellow to cover this previous border work, or maybe red after this. I hope you like the tutorial. Thank you for liking, sharing and subscribing my YouTube channel.